Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, elegant, decent and stylish collection of hand embroidery designs that are specifically designed for one color, one shade, one tone of the fabric, that is blue. Different shades of blue, royal blue, navy blue, dark blue, medium tone blue, brighter blue, ink blue and teal blue, and many more creativities as per different shades of blue are being shown to you throughout this video. And this video is made in the continuation of my previous video, into which I have shared very beautiful, classy, creative and trendy design idea that are specifically limited for blue color dresses. So different type of sweatshirt, t-shirt, sideline embroidery motif, along with a beautiful long floral neckline design, kurti design, styling patterns, and many more uh, beautiful patterns of hand embroidery that could be specifically designed that will be well suited for one shade of fabric color, that is blue, are being shown to you. So different shades give a more creative view, along with the different stylized patterns of hand embroidery, ranging from all over embroidery patterns to mini floral embroidery patterns to moving towards borderline embroidery. Now, where you can use these very beautiful patterns of embroidery, then the scope is not limited to one thing. The scope is wider in itself. That is, you can use them onto plain fabric color of blue, different shades, onto denim dresses, onto denim fabric, onto warm woolen or fleece fabrics, onto intermix fabric, onto soft cotton, linen, organic cotton, or corduroy, or many more. Even you can also use them for summer dresses. Summer coat would be ideal for using and making use of them. So this was all for today. I hope that you have liked and enjoyed the whole ideas and creativity. For more ideas, design patterns, and suggestions, subscribe my channel. Make a habit of watching my videos on the daily basis, because on daily basis we try our best to share creativity, amazing content, and beautiful ideas with you. But the scope is not only limited to this. Stay tuned for more and new upcoming videos. Keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content as you always have been, because your love and support matters a lot. And with your love and support, we can continue to grow. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for new and more upcoming videos. Until then, take care.